Alright guys, C-Dizzle's in the shower. We're gonna really get him this time, like really bad. I got fucking firecracker. I got a pan to put the firecracker in while he's in the shower. And it's gonna fucking make it 10 times louder. And I got shaving cream. I'm gonna find a way to do something with this. I just saw it, so I had to pick it up. Anyways, 1 second. I'll put shaving cream in my pocket. Alright, here we go.
Shit! Oh my god, I cannot hear. Oh my god. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Oh my fucking god. Wow. What? Oh my, wow, 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 wow.
Somebody please call the papers. Gentlemen, start your tasers, cause the pain is worth the price of the shock on the people's faces. We tryna stay low in a world where thinking small will get you laid off. Ain't no safeguards, cause round here our day job is to play hard. Real is here. So if you please, could you tell them to turn the fake off? So fly, they're breathing up in the sky since before the takeoff. And when we land, oh now they stop and they stand, looking like ain't y'all. Damn right, here is them guys.